Oh, oh, I got one.
Yay!
Oh, that's a good one.
Wyatt, back up, Bubba. Can I see it? Can I see it? Yeah! Right there, babe. Is that a bass?
It's a bass.
Can I hold it?
Yeah.
Can I try and catch this fish? Are you where the legs are?
All right, put your thumb in his mouth. Thumb. Your thumb, bro. That's your pinky. Yeah, that. Now pinch it. With this finger, pinch the bottom. Yeah, like that. Pinch down. Yeah, like that.
Good job.
He went away fast.
Mm-hmm. They like this little...
Mom, look at the seashell.
Don't fall down. That's what we're doing. Don't grab it. Stack them, but don't throw them. No.
There we go. I finally found
You gonna reel in the next one, bud?
again. Hi, sit down.
I don't care.
Come on. It's cold.
Oh, I had him for a second, Wyatt. No, I didn't feel like a big one.
Daddy, put this in the water. I found a fossil. What type of fossil?
Oh man, that's cool. It's got new line on it, so it's
I
gonna.
just put my finger on it and then I unhooked it and it hooked it. We did last one, didn't I?
What we're gonna do, put this on the little pole. Here, take this up, take.
Dad, look at this really cool rock.
Oh, that's a shell.
I pulled something out of the ground.
After you throw it each time, make sure there's not a little mess up on the reel. And if there is, just pull it out a little bit and then start reeling again. If I'd known it was going to bite a worm like this, I would have brought you another big pole. Oh my goodness, a dinosaur tooth.
Yeah, you see my book,
All right.
Here, look, I'll set it right here.
spot real fast.
Okay. Wyatt,
Oh no.
What did you get?
are you gonna reel the next one in that I get? I'm not gonna reel it in.
Yeah, my goodness is good.
You want some more, Mama, baby? Oh, wait, oh, look at this helicopter! Look at this helicopter! Look at this
Oh,
helicopter!
that's a good one. Train.
That was a beautiful throw, Skylar. Oh, Skylar got one. Oh yeah, you got a smallmouth.
Let me hold it. I have to
Oh,
hold it.
that's a good one.
How's it doing?
Yeah. Yeah,
Go, boys.
that's a good smallmouth.
Let me put in my thumb in there.
Put my thumb in there.
Are there more boys in the world, girls?
I don't know if there's more boys in the world than girls.
You got this on video.
Yeah. Don't you hook me, Mr. Smallmouth.
Let me grab it.
Come on, why you ain't even got the hook
Ooh,
off yet?
I don't want to hold it.
All right. You want to hold your fish? Lip him.
Let me hold it.
Hang on, Skylar got to hold her fish. Just put your thumb in his mouth like that.
That's scary.
Look, just like this.
Ooh.
And take him back to the water. And
Take my
really,
picture.
I got you on video. I can capture it. Hold on.
Oh, it's bleeding.
Got you.
Look, I don't know what this is. Look, so it has this marking on it, same marking there, and same marking there.
Nice.
That's so weird.
That was bigger than anything I caught yesterday, Skylar.
Can I catch this dragon on?
You mean let you reel it in?
No, I want to catch it.
Well, Skylar messed the other pole up. Oh, there's one. Come here, Presley. Come here, Presley.
Oh, yeah.
Got him. Oh, not all the way up. Not all the way up.
Sorry.
It's all right.
Mom, I got it.
Look, that worm's bigger than that fish, bro.
What is he trying to eat, man?
They must be
Can I
hungry.
put my finger in him?
Of course. Of course. Come on, Mr. Fish.
I think he swallowed it.
No.
They don't like the noise.
There you go. Thumb. You got it? They don't bite. Hurry up now. Yeah, there you go. Let's take them to the water and put them back in. Perfect. Yep. Wrong way for a second, but. Oh, yeah. Dang. You land them like one of them professional bass fishermen on the boats. Just snatch them up in there, bro.
I gotta go get my rock.
These are hard to get out. I like to grab them like so, and then you can work on them without getting your finger in the hooks. Hey, watch them poles, little boy.
I found the sweet spot.
Well, I've caught a couple too, bro.
I'm gonna hold him.
There you go.
Open your mouth.
Y'all keeping me busy. I ain't gonna have to edit none of this video. We're just slaying smallmouth.
What kind of frog? What kind of frog? Can I? Daddy, what kind of frog?
No, I got hung on a rock though. Oh, come on. I don't want to get hung up. Lost it.
Mommy, you can't.
All right, don't catch too many more right now while I tie my hook on. What?
And then it unhooked. And it got in the tree.
Uh-huh.
Because I could see the fish moving really long.
Well, I said, well, get back after them.
These are really long fish.
You got one?
He's a baby.
That's a little old black perch.
Can I hold it?
Yeah.
I want to hold it first.
Oh, Skylar wants to hold it first.
Or she can hold it and then I want to hold it.
All
I
right.
want to let it go.
What
Thumb,
kind of fish is that?
black perch. Come on.
Give him to me when you're done because I want to let him go.
All right, pinch down.
Press
Ow! Sorry. He fell.
We hold this.
Don't you be scared either.
I found his tongue.
Throw him over there.
Mom.
Look at there. First cast. Come here, Presley. Reel that big one in, man.
Oh, it's a big one. Oh, dang. Oh, yeah.
Not all the way up.
Huh?
I said not all the way up.
Was that too much?
Yeah. You want to leave them down like that. There you go.
What kind is that? Smallmouth?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I was right. Is this gonna be a good video?
Maybe.
Oh, his poor mouth. I think that green.
Thumb. All right, friend. There you go. Push him back in there.
I caught
Nice.
him. I grabbed him too and threw him. That green one really works, huh?
Yeah, I think I like the green one, Presley.
Even this teeny tiny one.
I think they like the green worm, friend. Now, where's that 5-pounder, Presley? Got one? Dang, I got hung up again. Done lost about all my worms out there, Presley.
Look at me.
Oh, it's a peanut. Yes, a black perch. Hold her up here. Oh, he stuck me.
Mom, when you see this, what do you think of?
Number 5.
Yep, just throw it and reel it in, okay, pal?
Are you still fishing?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll stay here. We'll stay a few more minutes, let you make some casts. Throw her out there and then just reel it in.